The AgSpellChecker is a component for our Silverlight family of controls that allows you to easily introduce spell checking functionality to your application. The SpellChecker supports the generic Windows TextBox interface, as well as the DevExpress text edit and rich edit controls. This means you can use the SpellChecker not only with our controls, but with a wide variety of components within the application. The SpellChecker also supports the use of open office dictionaries that are freely available for numerous languages and can be obtained online. You may of course specify your own terminology by creating custom dictionaries. Multiple language dictionaries can be specified and changed at runtime, so you never have to hard-code specific language support in your application. Last but not least is the Check as you type feature. This feature can be used with the DevExpress rich edit controls and allows you to provide on-the-fly spell checking functionality in your application. This means that words are checked and underlined instantly if misspelled. In this video, you'll learn how to get started using the AgSpellChecker library by adding it to a Silverlight application and checking the content of a standard text box. So let's get started. I'll start with a new Silverlight application. I expand the Solution Explorer and right-click to add project references to the required assemblies. I hold down the Control key and click to select the AG Core, AG Rich Edit.extensions, AgSpellChecker, AgSpellChecker.core, and the AG Utils assemblies. I click OK and the references are created. In the layout root, I'll create two row definitions. In the first row, I'll add a text box. I set its accepts return property to true, enable text wrapping, and populate it with a paragraph of text with intentional spelling mistakes. In the second row of the grid, I'll add a button control. I'll give it an appropriate caption and specify its maximum width. Let's center align the button and create a new handler for its click event. Here, I'll add using directives for the DevExpress.extraRichEdit.commands and the DevExpress.extraSpellChecker assemblies. Back in the event handler, I add the following line of code to check the spelling of the text box content. And you can see I need to build the application to be able to reference the control's name. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. Here you can see the text box pre-populated with my text. I click the Check Spelling button and the misspelled words are highlighted one by one. From the dictionary, the SpellChecker also offers suggestions as well as an option to ignore the mistake or add it to a custom dictionary. I click the Add button to add one of the misspelled words to the custom dictionary. Please note that since we haven't created a means for the application to store such a dictionary, these are only held in memory at runtime and will be disposed of once the application is closed. Now if I try to check the spelling again, you'll see that it'll highlight all the previous mistakes and ignore the word that was added to the custom dictionary. For more information, please refer to the AgSpellChecker documentation online. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for choosing DevExpress.